This is the 12V 150 watt power inverter. Basically what this does is it converts 12 volt DC power, which is what you have in your car, into 110 volt AC power, which is what we use in our house normally. You can see on here we've got a plug and 2 USB ports and a plug here to plug it into our cigarette lighter or 12 volt adapter as they call it these days. It's made out of metal and plastic. We've got a metal case over top of 2 plastic ends. It's put together pretty well. I've had this for quite a while and it's holding up good. You plug it into your 12 volt power supply. When you do that, light turns red, then it turns green to let you know that it's working. We've got a fan on the back that automatically kicks on to cool it down while it's working. And this is capable of powering up to 150 watts, which is a lot. So no issues at all with a laptop or anything like that. And once you've got it plugged in, you can charge your phone through it or any type of device. And either of these USB ports, you can plug a laptop into here, you can plug a light, you know, some kind of emergency device that you need for a car. And this thing is so small, maybe 3 inches by 2.5 inches or so. Very small, very portable, very lightweight, very practical to keep in the car with you. The 12V 150 watt power inverter. Pretty awesome.